Imagine your dinner tonight: raw meat, hard roots. No fire, no stove, no knife. Every bite is a battle. And one wrong bite could kill you. This wasn't a nightmare. It was everyday life for our ancestors. So how did humans survive for millions of years before they learned to cook? The answer didn't just change dinner. It changed the human body forever. Today, almost every meal you eat has been touched by fire. A burger, a slice of pizza, even a simple potato. Cooking feels so normal that we never question it, but for most of human history, cooking didn't exist. Every meal came straight from nature, cold, tough, and sometimes deadly. Imagine spending hours searching for food, only to discover that eating it was the hardest part. Some roots were as hard as wood. Raw meat felt like chewing rubber. Many wild plants contained natural poisons. One mistake could be your last, but here's the twist. Our ancestors didn't survive because they were stronger than us. They survived because their bodies were built for a completely different world. Their jaws were massive. Their teeth were larger, and scientists believe they spent nearly half their day just chewing tough food. Think about that. While you finish lunch in 15 minutes, they could spend hours chewing a single meal. But chewing wasn't the biggest problem. The real problem was hidden inside the skull. Every bite demanded enormous amounts of energy. Energy the body desperately needed for something even more important: the brain. As humans slowly evolved larger brains, raw food became a serious obstacle. The body was spending too much energy just trying to eat. Something had to change. But our ancestors had no idea what that change would be. Then one day, nature did something extraordinary. Lightning struck. A forest burst into flames. Animals ran for their lives. Most creatures stayed as far away as possible. But a few curious humans walked toward the fire instead. What they discovered in the ashes would change the future of humanity forever. The fire was almost gone. The forest was silent. Most animals had already escaped. But scattered across the ashes were the ones that hadn't. A few curious humans stepped closer. What they found didn't look dangerous anymore. It looked delicious. The meat smelled different. It looked different. And when someone finally took a bite, everything changed. It was softer, juicier, far easier to chew. Without realizing it, they had just unlocked more energy from the exact same animal. But here's the twist: the biggest change wasn't in the food. It was inside the human body. Raw meat forced the stomach to work harder. Cooked meat did part of that work before the first bite was even taken. That meant the body could spend less energy digesting, and more energy surviving. Suddenly, hunting became more rewarding. A single meal could fuel longer walks, longer hunts, and longer lives. That's only half the story. Cooking also made many dangerous foods much safer. Parasites, harmful bacteria, natural toxins found in some plants. Heat destroyed many of them before they could harm the body. For the first time, humans weren't just eating to stay alive. They were eating more efficiently. But there was one problem. They couldn't make fire whenever they wanted, for a long time. They had to protect every flame they found. A burning branch wasn't just fire. It was tomorrow's dinner, and maybe the next day's too. Then something incredible happened. Humans stopped following fire and started controlling it. That single change gave them something no other animal had. A reliable source of energy, not just from flames, but from food itself. And once that happened, evolution accelerated. Jaws slowly became smaller, teeth became smaller, but one part of the body started growing faster than ever before. The brain. That was the moment humans stopped adapting only to nature and started changing nature to fit themselves. But how could a simple campfire help create bigger brains, smarter humans, and eventually every civilization on Earth? The answer is even more surprising than the discovery of fire itself. The moment humans learned to control fire, everything changed, not overnight, but faster than anyone could have imagined. Suddenly, food wasn't the only thing being transformed. Human life was. Think about a freezing night thousands of years ago. Without fire, darkness belonged to predators. The cold could kill you before sunrise. And every strange sound in the forest could be your last. But now, there was light. There was warmth. There was safety. For the first time, humans could stay awake long after the sun disappeared. And that's where something incredible began. people started talking. Not just about today's hunt, but tomorrow's. They shared mistakes, taught children, warned each other about dangerous animals. Every conversation made the next generation a little smarter, but here's the twist. Fire didn't just protect humans, it protected food. Fresh meat that would normally spoil quickly could now be cooked before it became dangerous. Many harmful parasites and bacteria were destroyed by heat. For the first time, a successful hunt could feed more people. Larger groups began living together. And larger groups changed everything. More people meant more ideas. One person discovered a better spear. Another found a safer hunting route. Someone else learned which plants became edible after heating them. Every discovery spread through the group. Human knowledge was finally growing instead of constantly starting over. That's only half the story. As humans became safer, they became bolder. They walked into colder lands, crossed mountains, followed animals into places their ancestors could never survive. Little by little, humans spread across the planet, all because of one simple discovery, a controlled fire. But the biggest change wasn't happening around the flames, it was happening inside the human body. And that final transformation would shape every human alive today. For thousands of years, humans kept feeding the same fire. Without realizing, the fire was slowly changing them. Not just their lives, their bodies. Scientists believe cooking gave humans access to far more energy from the same food. And that extra energy changed the course of evolution. Over countless generations, our jaws became smaller. Our teeth became smaller. Our stomachs no longer had to work as hard. But one part of the body demanded more and more energy. The brain, and for the first time, it could finally get it. That's the twist almost no one talks about. Cooking wasn't just another invention. It may have helped make modern humans possible. Without it, our brains might never have reached the size they are today. Our ancestors might never have built cities, written books, crossed oceans, or landed on the moon. Think about that. Every smartphone, every hospital, every airplane, every scientific discovery can be traced back to one simple breakthrough. A group of curious humans who looked at a wildfire and decided to walk toward it instead of away. That single decision changed everything. It transformed food into fuel, fuel into bigger ideas, and bigger ideas into civilization. So the next time you turn on your stove or sit down for dinner, remember, you're taking part in one of the oldest traditions in human history. A tradition that didn't just help humans survive, it helped humans become human. And that's why one simple cooked meal may have changed the world forever. If you enjoyed this journey into humanity's past, subscribe for more stories uncovering the hidden moments that shaped the modern world. Because history's biggest turning points are often hiding in the smallest everyday things.